Travel Nisi, owner in these star destinations. I'm gonna give you a quick room tour of this beautiful resort. I list the name of the resort at the bottom. So let's get this going. It's located 25 minutes from the Cancun Strip. Amazing resort. And this room is fabulous. Let's go. I know you like, okay, now can you just show us the room now? Okay, let's get this going. In the bathroom. I'll work. The shower. And then menus. And the scale. And slippers. King size bed. Drawers, coffee. They also offer room service. So this is where the main bar is located. Or you can choose a beer, you know, the regulars, and the coffee maker, and this cream box. Look at this. Get a full bottle of wine. Service, menu. Alright. Late night menu. Show you my balcony. It's our balcony. Yes, I hope y'all enjoy the room tour. If y'all have any questions, please place a comment below, send me an email, or follow me on Instagram at Travel with Nisi. I would gladly help answer your questions. But if you're ready to book this resort, contact me at Indie Star Destinations or Travel with Nisi. I will show you the steps and plan your trip. This is a family-friendly resort. Later on, I will post the entire resort, including the restaurant. So stay tuned. Again, like, comment, and subscribe.